What's up everybody, hope you're all doing great. Welcome to this video. In this video I wanted to do a quick a price analysis mostly on Luna or Terra. Terra Luna. Luna is the abbreviation or the ticker and Terra is the name of the project. Very big project, I think a lot of you know it as well. I saw that the volume was actually quite high, at almost 12% of the market cap. That's not something you see a lot. Terra is a great project. I think at least, and I analyze it quite often, so definitely when these moves happen I just wanted to take a look at it, see where it can go from here. So what I think is happening right now in the whole crypto market is that the whole market is kind of steered by the fundamentals. So with fundamentals I mean what's happening in Canada, but mostly in Ukraine also. And also things happening with the executive order by Biden and stuff, just inflation, just a lot of things going on throughout the world. And in order to really get bullish, we don't need to break a level or anything, just those things need to become increasingly bullish. So that's always difficult to interpret that in terms of being bullish or bearish, but basically if anything happens that decreases the unrest or insecurity in the world, then we'll probably see a bullish Luna. I mean, it might be lagging behind and it might be a little bit less bullish than other cryptos, but that's the main thing. And what technical thing would function as the same indicator for me would be breaking that $57 area. So we're nowhere close breaking that, but as soon as we break that, then I actually think we can get into a little bit more bullish markets. Probably not a bull market, but at least relatively bullish. But as I said, before this happens, you will probably have heard some news about as I said, unrest going down, or at least that some time has passed. But as of right now, I think it is more likely. I mean, we took a quite strong rejection off of this upper bound of this big key level at around $54. So we're heading up there now again after dropping to $48.50. I actually do think that we are going to drop down again from here. So maybe we'll go up as high as 54.5. But I don't think we're going to break that. And if we do break that, then maybe we'll get up to 57. But as I said, I don't think we're going to break 57 as long as no fundamentals change. So as I said, I think it's most likely that from here we'll drop again. We'll maybe find some support along the way at 51.5, maybe some support at around 50. That's obviously a big psychological support level as well. But I think it's inevitable that we'll be dropping down again to this area. So what would be the most likely scenario to drop down to is $48.50. But what we also did a couple of days ago, and that could happen as well, is that we'll drop down a little bit more with the wick to somewhere around $47.50. And from there, I do expect that support to hold, unless some worse things happen within the world. But you'll probably know it then. So I do think that will hold. From there, I'll probably update it as well. I mean, most likely scenarios that will kind of consolidate between 54 and 48, what we have kind of been trying to do right here the last few days or the last week. So that's what I think would be the most likely outcome after this drop. But as I said, I'll probably update the analysis as well. So stay tuned for that. But as of right now, this is my analysis on Terra Luna. If you do have any questions about the analysis, then please let me know down in the comments and I'll make sure to respond to that as soon as possible. But as for now, thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.